In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of converting an MP4 file to an MP3 using VLC Media Player. This is a simple way to extract audio from a video file and save it as an MP3. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once the player is open, go to the top menu and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open a new window where you can select the file you want to convert. In the File Selection section of this window, click on the Add button. This will open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location of your MP4 file, select it, and click Open. The file you selected should now appear in the list under the File Selection section. Next, click on the Convert/Save button at the bottom of the window. This will open another window where you can configure the settings for your conversion. In this new window, you'll see a section labeled Profile. In the drop-down menu under Profile, select Audio-MP3. This setting ensures that your MP4 file will be converted to an MP3 format. Now, you need to choose where to save your converted MP3 file. Click on the Browse button next to the Destination File field. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to choose the folder where you want to save the file and to name the file. Once you've done that, click Save. Finally, to start the conversion, click the Start button at the bottom of the window. VLC Media Player will begin converting your MP4 file to MP3. You can monitor the progress in the playback bar at the bottom of the VLC window, and that's all there is to it. Once the conversion is complete, your MP3 file will be saved in the location you selected. You've successfully converted an MP4 file to MP3 using VLC Media Player.